You might not think much about the worms in the soil in your garden, but these slimy little workers, they're doing more for your plants than most fertilizers ever could. This is Master Gardener Steve, and today we're going to talk about the benefits of worms in your garden. In this video, I'll show you exactly why earthworms are essential, what types are best, how to attract more of them, and a few big mistakes that might actually be killing them off. Worms aren't just squirming around for fun. They're aerating your soil, breaking down organic matter, and producing castings that act like 100% organic superfood for your garden beds. Their tunnels allow roots to breathe, their castings improve structure, and their activity increases microbial life. Want more worms? Stop tilling. Keep the soil covered and feed the ground with compost, leaf mulch, or even shredded newspaper. And if your soil is bone dry or compacted, worms won't stay. A lot of well-meaning gardeners unknowingly wipe out their worm colonies. Overuse of synthetic fertilizer, pesticides, or even turning the soil every season can do real damage. Go organic, go no dig, and think of your worms like livestock you're tending underground. If you want a thriving garden, it starts underground, so treat your worms right and they'll turn your dirt into black gold. Let me know in the comments if you see more worms in your garden after using compost or no-dig methods. And if you want to learn about vermicomposting, check out this link in the comments.